Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would do this look for you. It's very pretty, very Victoria's Secret model-esque. So probably about 3 weeks ago I managed to pick up the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk collection. I just got the eyeshadow quad. But yeah, I thought I would do a makeup look using this eyeshadow quad. Now, don't be upset if you did not manage to get your hands on some of their products, because they are restocking it and making it permanent to Charlotte Tilbury's collection, which is amazing because she did such an amazing job with the Pillow Talk collection. Just very, very pretty, very wearable. Would be great if you're like a wedding guest at a wedding, or if you're the bride at the wedding. So if you would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then as always, please keep on watching. Now, first thing you want to do is prep your skin, and I'm going to be taking my Olay moisturizing lotion for sensitive skin. Just taking a pea-sized amount on the back of my hand and applying it to the skin. And then I think for foundation, just because I've got a little bit of a tan going on, I'm going to be taking my Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation, and I'm in the shade Vanilla 52. And I'm just going to take a little amount on the back of my hand, and then all I'm doing is dotting it onto the skin. And to start with, I'm just going to blend it in with my fingers. I'm then just going to further blend it into the skin using one Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush. And I'm just going to be taking my MAC's Laying Low eyeshadow primer. Just using my fingers, I'm going to add it to the entire part of the lid. And what this is going to do is just give those eyeshadows something to cling to. So I'm first just going to go in with the prime shade, and I'm going to add that all over the lid. It's just a really soft, beautiful rose gold tone. And I'm going to take that on a MAC 239 flat shader brush. And yeah, just run it all over the lid. A good trick if you ever struggle with your eyeshadow, you can always take some sticky tape, and what you do, you put it so from where this line here ends, you follow it right up to where your brow bone ends, and that's going to create kind of like a natural lift. So if you do have slightly hooded eyes like I do, and you want to lift the make the eye shape look a bit more elongated, yeah, you just want to use some sticky tape. It's a really good trick. Awesome if you are not the best at doing liquid eyeliner. It just gives you a nice guide to work with, and you don't end up with a complete mess everywhere. Just going to go in with the Enhance shade, and that's the second shade in the eyeshadow palette, and it's this beautiful kind of warm pink. And I'm just going to place that in my outer part of my crease and bring it inwards. And I'm just blending it out with a MAC 217 shader brush. I'm going to go in with the Smoke shade and take that on a pencil brush. I'm just going to focus it on the outside portion, the outside third of my eye, because that's where I want color pigmentation to be. I'm next just going to go in with MAC's in the Flash eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take Carbon, and I'm going to create a faux wing. And then just going to take my Kat Von D's tattoo liner and just run over where I've put down that Carbon eyeshadow. And just to make that wing a little bit sharper, it's going to run at the edges, and that's just going to tidy it up. Right, next up I'm just going to go in and add mascara, and I'm going to be using Great Lash by Maybelline. And then for brows today, I'm going to be taking my Naked Basics palette, and I'm just going to mix a combination of Naked 2 and Faint. Just to set the brows, I'm going to take Maybelline's Brow Drama in medium brown. Concealer, I think you know what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be taking my Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer in the shade Ivory, and just a little bit under the eyes. Get on that Real Techniques setting brush. And then to set the skin, I'm just going to be going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Light Plus, and I'm just setting the T-zone area under the eyes and my chin. Then for highlight today, I'll be taking Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in, what is it, Moonstone. Then for blush, I'm just going to be taking Hourglass's, what is it, Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush in in Brilliant Nude. It doesn't look like much in the pan, but when you add it to your cheeks, it just gives this beautiful kind of sheen. And then for lips, I'm first up just going to take MAC's Soar Lip Liner. And unfortunately, I don't have Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lipstick, so I'm going to go in with MAC's Mare. I have a feeling it's a similar colour anyway. This might be just... So yeah guys, this completes the look. I had lots of trouble with the liquid eyeliner today. I feel like that's the case every time I turn the camera on. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.